Hi, this is Chuck Orlandi here at Miami Shores Auto Repair in Miami Shores, Florida. Okay, in this clip we're going to talk about how to calibrate a tire balancing machine. This right here is a Coates tire balancing machine. We don't have to calibrate it that often because if it doesn't need to be calibrated unless it's moved around or something like that. But if you do need to calibrate it, there's a whole procedure here that explains exactly what to do. What you have to do is put a wheel on it. You put a weight on it, like 4 ounces of weight. You spin it, then you take that weight off. You respin it, and the machine will figure out, how you did that, and it will calculate it to be accurate. Now, when we balance a tire on a car, we typically take it off. We put it on the machine here. You would take this tire. Make sure you remove all the wheel weights, the old wheel weights. There's one on there and one on there. I'm not going to do it now because we're not going to balance this one, but I'm going to show you how. You would put it on the machine like this. You put your parts in here to hold it. Tighten it up. And then up here, you enter the measurements of the wheel, the size of the tire, and the width of the rim. You enter those 3 numbers, and you decide here where you want to put your wheel weights on the tire. This one shows it on one on the inside, one on the outside. Same here. This one has different kind of wheel weights that stick on with the rim that doesn't have a lip on it like this. You would have to use a stick-on weight like this one here. These are the stick-on weights for mag wheels. And you can set your machine here for whichever type of tire you're balancing. Once you get all your settings in there, you close the lid, it spins the tire, and it will give you the amount of weight that you need to put on the inside and the outside. Once again, this has been Chuck Orlandi. Thank you for watching.